Testing, 1, 2, 3, mic check. Testing, 1, 2, 3, mic check. Testing levels, testing levels. Levels are good. What's good, man? It's your boy E coming at you with some finance solutions. Let's clear that real quick. Damn, I was trying to make it in time for Power Hour, dog. We missed this dump right here. What happened? Obviously, some data came out, right? I don't know what caused that, bro. Damn. I would have been definitely interested in that fade, son. Right there. I mean, you can see the top in action. Obviously, we hit a brick wall right here, bro. At least for the time being, looks like about 529. Feel me? So, we blew past the pre-market low. Look at the range today, bro. I mean, I put in a couple trades earlier. I was done. I think I went long. I went long and short. What level is this? Okay, the high from the previous day. Pretty much. Look, that's pretty much the high from yesterday. Went up there, hit that. Really, almost like a triple top. You know what I'm saying? Like the power threes. Let me make sure I'm not blocking anything. I ain't really blocking it. It's been a while since I've been, you feel me, trying to do any finance live streaming, bro. I'll be getting attacked and shit, bro. Like every time I try to do anything, bro. Over your ears. Testing, 1, 2, 3, mic check. Put a little bit of music in the background. Run up, get smacked down. Right here, get jacked now. Nah, hey, that's just art, bro. Yeah, hold on real quick. Damn, what happened? Let's see if we could catch something on the news, bro. Obviously, some data came out, bro. Sanctions? Nah, that ain't it. Damn. I don't got the news set up right. Look, triple top, fading off 529. We came down here and bounced off VWAP. Let's see what happens at the 120. Because whatever caused that could cause it again, but 9 times out of 10, what I see is whatever trend that was in play before the data came out usually will continue after the algos, the volatility or whatever from the data or whatever got printed. So I'm assuming some data came out there. Prior to that, we were trending up. All right, you can see it right here. So we're pretty much trending up prior to that. So data came out, like we bounced off VWAP, at least on the 10-minute, and now we're putting in higher lows again. We did go backside though. Let's see what's going on with the S&P 500. Look, I mean, it's basically the high from yesterday, bro. There's your level. I mean, pretty much. What about on the daily? And obviously, you can see that's a level off the daily, bro. See it going straight across right there. Yeah, we hit that, rejected, and went backside. Actually, let's see if we can climb back front side. Well, we did get there, and now we're coming back. Never got up to 5,300. Hmm. I mean, there's about 45 minutes left. I feel like, again, we were trending up before that happened. I wish I could get the data settings. Yeah, I have to go in and find the specific news. Hmm. Let's see if we can make some sense, find some levels or something here, bro. No, I did have a key level. It was 526.50 though. So we blew past that. But that's almost where we came down and bounced at, right? Actually. Let's check out the daily real quick. Yeah, that's it. Right there. What about to the downside? There's a level here, kind of where we're trading at now. Right there, 527.25. What makes it so tricky is you also got previous close right there. So there's a level off the daily right there. It did the little fake out just now. Hit VWAP. I feel like we eventually at least trend back up to the top of the range, but the problem is, like, you got resistance close here, bro. You feel me? The 528 calls. Let's see what they talking about. They about $2 each. Let's try some.
Order filled.
Already down on those. They're selling into them as soon as I put the order in. Give it some time though, because the only thing that I don't really feel good about that trade is we're kind of close to resistance already, but we were bullish before that news came out. Well, these 3 wicks right here on the 5-minute, I'm not a fan of. But look, on the 10-minute, higher low, they're dumping on it. Hold up. On the 5-minute, I mean, look, higher low. The only problem is they've been selling into it every time, but we have been putting in higher lows. So let's see if we can get front side. I can't even see. Let's see what the Qs are doing. Same thing, actually. I mean, I can see the Qs up here. Watching them on the 10-minute. Nvidia's front side. Tesla was front side. Caught a piece of that fade and actually went red on the day. The Russell was been backside but was trending up. Caught a piece of that fade. Looks like it's trying to catch a bid right now. Just trying to catch a bid. Watch they be trying to catch up, kid. To trap you up, wrap you up. Okay, that trade into money right now, bro. You feel me? Here, let me see if I think I can show you. Hold up. I grabbed the 528 calls. Barely though. Look. Let's get some risk management in place so we could snatch profits. Feel me? Alright, we got some risk management in place. Okay, they were in the money. Again, the only reservation I have is we're close to resistance here. But if you look at the trend before that news came out, it was bullish. So after the algos and all that, the craziness gets out the way. What I see most of the time is whatever trend that was in place before the news came in will pick back up. You feel me? It's looking like that's what we're seeing. So as the SPY tries to go front side, the Qs are already front side. Look, Qs are already front side here. Above red to green is what I mean. They're dumping. Let's go ahead and put that right there. Hit that resistance and pulling back a little bit. Go back to the spot. I mean, I could have took profits real quick, but I've been trying to work on letting my trades run a little bit, especially when they're going in my direction. I've been finding myself taking profits too fast and letting my fucking losers run. I've been doing it backwards. It's all good though. Like sometimes you gotta go back to the basics. You feel me? So like I just scaled down. I mean, kind of looking like we wanna. What the hell? This thing's all messed up, bro. I'm missing my freaking market maker shit here. Like, I don't know. Like I'm constantly under attack, bro. That's why I don't be live streaming like that. Oh shit! I should have snatched that. That's what it's looking like. Let's give it a little bit more time, bro. Also, it's 3:30. We gotta be wary of 350. That's when you know, we get that craziness coming to markets. So I guess it's the big boys putting in their orders, or the imbalances, like the order imbalances start printing like on the broad tape. Let me see if I can. News, trade worldwide feed. I think that's the broad tape. No, it's not. Hot news, worldwide news. Something's wrong with that. Okay, here we go again. Trying to go front side. Keep in mind the Qs have been front side the whole time. You feel me? So that's why I'm not really sweating it that much. Now, if I see the Qs start breaking down and going red on the day, then pretty much it's probably time to go ahead and bail on it. But even like the Russell was starting to trend up. Look. Look, the trend was up until that news came out. But after, you feel me? That price action or whatever, we're starting to try to trend back up. Let's go back to the SPY, bro. I mean, I'm pretty much break even on those. But what's up with this? Dude, I do not need all this news. This ain't right. News. It's not the broad take, bro. We're going to do Newswire, News for Me, Trade, all subscribe news. I guess that's the broad tape. Yeah. Oh shit. We're having trouble here. Okay. Just let it chill. I mean, we got 30 minutes left, but bro, in no way, shape, or form am I trying to still be in a position as we come up on 350, bro. We're starting to dump a little bit. Q's still front side. Barely. The Q's freaking touched red to green, and they're trying to buy it. My level 2's messed up for some reason, bro. Keep an eye on that. Okay. Starting to fade. I'm gonna have to go ahead and cut this one. Should have took profits when they were in the money right there. We trimmed it up. Hey, maybe we might get the inverse 10. You feel me? This level's off the daily right here. And then we got it's our pre-market high, pre-market low. See, your Qs are still front side. The only thing is we got this 453.70 here, level off the daily. Now I do see the dollar looks like it's starting to slide a little bit. You feel me? So that's decent. I also see the VIX putting in some lower lows. SOXS looks like it ran into some resistance here, and also the SQQQ with the dollar going down like that. That's pretty much all bullish. I mean, I'm basically break even on the trade, bro. Well, look on this 5 minute. I mean, that's a bullish candle right there, bro. That's what, like a hammer candle. Like I don't really pay attention to patterns and candles, but I do know this is a bullish candle, bro. What do they call it? A hammer candle, shooting star. Man, they're selling into this every time it tries to go front side. Look, Let's get in the trenches real quick. Keep coming up and trying to go front side. The Qs are having trouble. The S&P 500's pulling back. Look. You could see, look, the dollar was starting to slide. It stopped. Let me see something real quick. But like something like Success, for instance. See, there's kind of some resistance there. You know what I mean? And then the S triple Q. Kind of some resistance there, bro. And the VIX, again, it's putting in some lower lows. I'm watching it on the 10-minute. And also, like, keep in mind, you know what I'm saying, this late in the day, like, obviously they're not zero DTEs. Like, this late in the day, you'd be getting eaten alive by the time decay. You feel me? So I went out a couple of days. Like, we're getting too close to 350. I ain't gonna lie, bro. 9 times out of 10 at 350, the market be doing some ratchet ass shit, bro. Like, that bitch be irking and jerking, goes. And from what I understand, no, Tesla's dumping. From what I understand, it's you know, like the big like hedge funds and shit putting in their orders, or and all the imbalances and stuff. So now look, we've broken down this 50-cent increment right here. It's probably gonna be in my cue to go ahead and cut it. Look at that. We just took a hit, bro. Didn't even see. We just got dumped on, kid. And what you'll notice is the dollar starting to pop a little bit. Look, they're buying it though. It's like a hammer candle or whatever. The price action seeming kind of trappy. I don't know why I'm watching GME. I guess because it was a squeezer, a teaser. Look, they're buying it. Look, the Qs are still front side. It's a hammer candle. They were. Look, it's an invert. You can see it's inversely correlated. When the dollar starts popping, then you start going down. And now we're just, looks like they're about to dump on this thing, bro. The Qs just went backside. Give it like 5 more minutes, bro. There's no way I'm holding this thing at 350, bro. They may just pull the rug. The dollar starting to catch a bid. Look, and this is my sim account, bro. Like, otherwise I would have just took profits when they were in the money. Oh shit, bro! They're dumping on this thing, bro. I'm feeling like I should flip real quick, bro. And hedge 527 puts, right? Just in case. What do you think, bro? Because I know they're gonna hit this thing gonna hit this thing at that 10-minute mark, bro. Look, we're getting too close to 350. Like I'm gonna go ahead and just close this out, bro. And flip, dog. Cause they like that trip, dog. I'm solo, ain't no gang, ain't no crip walk. All blood. Dog, no friends, you ain't my cuz. I like to be solo. On the dolo. Use a hold. Nigga, we trying to take my photo. Excuse my language. Come through, speaking fluent Spanglish. Bro, I don't mess with no strangers. Or anyone. Alright, the Qs are back front side here, bro. We're getting too close to 350 though. So I mean, I'm pretty much break even. I would like to get a little bit closer. You feel me? The dollar's starting to slide though. Does that mean we about to ride, bro? Look at S&P 500. Just went front side there, bro. Okay. Don't give it back. Don't give it back. You feel me? Retest. Just a retest, cuz. I mean, pretty much break even. And being that, let me see something, bro. Where are we at in the grand scheme of things? We're like in the middle, bro. There's obviously resistance here. Look at this. The problem is there's resistance, and also you got red to green right there. That's also resistance. And then you got the non. Okay, we're starting to get a little pop. We just need to worry about the drop, because at 350 the market about to pop, but I don't know which way. The Qs are front side. Look, dollar sliding. There's your inverse correlation. Alright, the dollar sliding. The VIX is putting in some lower lows. You got the SQQQ and success respecting that resistance that was there. I mean, they're in the money barely right now, bro. Like, I feel like I just need to get out. I'm just trying to see, because the Qs are front side. I feel like if the Qs are front side, and especially if we break past this little intraday resistance, it will drag the SPY up, bro. We just need the Qs to just break past this chop right here, bro. Once the Qs do that, all right, there you go. There you go. All right, I'm gonna take profits. Look, up 300 bucks, 350. Let's sell them. Get me out. Oh Lord.
Order filled.
Thank you. 665 on a quick scalp, dog. What just happened? Yeah, right there, look.
Order cancelled.
Thank you. They on a quick scalp. What I said is like I wouldn't be holding it going into 350 though. I don't care how bullish we are, bro. I just seen too much wild shit, bro. Straight up. But that's what I was saying. Look, this is what I mean. Look, yeah, I could have held those for longer, but See profits, take profits, right? That's what whatchamacallit says. See, this is what I mean. The trend that was in place was up before whatever data came out or whatever that caused this washout. But after the smoke clears, so to speak, and the algos and shit get out the way, 9 times out of 10 you'll see that same trend come back. So that's why I went long. Feel me? I mean, it makes sense to me, bro. I mean, it's just something like it's just something I from watching price action. That's what I've noticed. Like, especially my stream's probably getting hit. Let's see something real quick. Is it still working? No frames drop. Say what? But yeah, that's what I was saying. Just from watching the price action, because you'll see that especially when we're having all this data come out and shit. But if you notice, like, go back and look at the charts. All right, so now we got 350 coming up. I would not be long at 350. And I mean, unless you're like swing trading or long term, you know what I'm saying? Like on the short term tip, bro. Hell no, bro. But sometimes you get the inverse too, you feel me? Like, instead of us jerking to the downside, we'll jerk, like, we'll melt up and jerk to the upside. But 9 times out of 10, bro, I always see us dump. I mean, that's a pretty bullish looking pattern right there, especially with this wick right here increasing volume. But I mean, no regrets, bro. See profits, take profits. All right, there's 3 minutes left. Again, I grabbed the 528. I grabbed the 528 calls. Expiration on the 6th. So I think that's what, like Friday, for 192, and I sold them for 211. So I mean, what? That's not a lot. 192 to 211. That's only like 20-30 cents each. But you know, if you're grabbing a good amount of them, you know what I'm saying, like 40 of them, like, all you need is a 20-cent move, bro. That's it. All right, let's see what happens at this 10 minutes of terror right here. Let's go to the 4-man chart, bro. All right, we got the S&P 500 right here. We got the Qs right here, the SPY right here, the dollar right here. Let's see what happens. Tesla's dumping. Small caps are trying to, like the Russell, the IWM, trying to hold support. It's a little double bottom here. I mean, okay. See, I'd actually be looking at the 528 puts right now for the quick scalp. Like, well, you got to have your order set up, like the bracket set up already, like with scalping parameters. You feel me? Because at 350, we'll get that jerk real quick. Look, we got less than a minute left. Like the 528 puts, bro. That's what I'd be looking at. Even though we're looking bullish, I'm just saying, just to catch that move, Just have a tight stop. You know what I'm saying? Like a OCO order. I ain't gonna lie, I see success, the SQQ, and the VIX sliding big time. But that's what they do, bro. Look at this wick right here. They're selling into this. They're selling into this. Selling into this. Selling into this. The dollar's starting to pop. 528 puts real quick. Oh, you got to get them above 528 though. It's too late now. See? Well, we didn't really get much of a move. Let's see. Sometimes they offset it a little bit. Okay, so we got the inverse, but that's what I'm saying. That's why you have a tight stop, bro. Just in case you're wrong. But honestly, give it some time, bro. But you see the dollar pulling back like this, bro. S&P 500. Notice, like, I mean, you could be wrong, bro. That's what stops are for, bro. Like, but usually, like 9 times out of 10, you'll see us jerk to the downside. But, you know, shit only works until it doesn't. You know what I'm saying? Like, they change it up. Or market conditions change. So, yeah, instead of the move down, we're getting the move up. The inverse. I'm telling you, sometimes it's offset. And right here, 350. So I mean, depending on where you put the trade on at, like, I mean, like you probably wouldn't even hit your stop yet, so you could go ahead and stop yourself out early. I'm just saying, just wait, right? I've seen them offset it. What about them beats, bro? I'm about to jump back in the booth, dog. Cause on the truth, dog. Come through with no roof, dog. I'm the realest and I got some proof, dog. I'm surprised I'm not getting DDoS, dude. Usually when I get on, my shit just gets crashed. What I said, bro? Look, you see the dollar? Look at the dollar trying to find some support here. Look at that. See the dollar finding some support here? Yeah. And then I see the VIX. The VIX is like on a double bottom support. Let me see if I can show you real quick. Look, the VIX starting to go up. See that? Look at that. 1320. Okay, all right, they're buying it. They're buying it. Let's go back to the 4. I don't know, the Q's are wicking to the upside up to 9. That's usually bullish. But see, the dollar's trying to hold the support right here, bro. But the VIX is on the lows. It's on the lows, but it's on a double bottom support. You feel me? All right, so the dollar's looking like it's about to crack this. Yeah, probably best to. It's too close. I mean, you wouldn't have your stop that tight, so I mean, but I'll be getting ready to close it out. I'll give it like 2 or 3 more minutes. You feel me? You seen that? See how we're starting to come down a little bit? The dollar still hasn't broken down this yet, and the VIX hasn't broken down that double bottom yet. So, I mean, the SPY is acting like it wants to crack the 9, and so is the S&P 500 right here, cracking the trying to be propped up by the 9 EMA. Look right here, it's cracking it right now. See, and here's the SPY cracking it. We just got all this chop right here. But again, those wouldn't be 0 DTEs either. So, like I said, the expiration was what, on the 6th? That's what, Friday, I think? I might have swung those. No, Thursday. If they're Friday, I definitely would have swung them. Because we got data, like bad data come out. But yeah, it's too close to market close. Depending on how far you went out. Maybe if you went out till Friday, decent swing. I feel pretty confident we'll gap down or trend down at something from now until Friday, being that the market's extended to the upside. Small caps are looking like they want to dump. The dollar's respecting the support here. It's all setting up like we're gonna gap down. Sometimes you'll see us start freaking selling off and gapping down right at market close. But we didn't really get the move that I was looking for. Sometimes you don't get it, bro. That's what stops all the good times, the bad times. All right, see, now you got the VIX breaking down that double bottom and heading lower. So, you know what I'm saying? Definitely something to watch out for. There's your SPY, your S&P 500, 5,300 way up here. What about the Qs? Increasing volume. That's what stops all for the good times, the bad times. I'll be server-side forevermore. 'Cause that's what stops all. Oh, you know what that means? Have your freaking stop server side. Well, in case your freaking computer goes down or your network goes down, your stop still works. Yeah, from server side. Feel me? Yeah, looks like we're trending on up, bro. But like I said, bro, if you went out far enough, I feel pretty confident we're gonna gap down or something. If not tomorrow, at least by the end of the week. It's seeming like we're running some resistance. There's 30 seconds left in the trading period here. Let's go back over here, actually. They're buying it, though. Where? Oh, look at the queues, son. Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. Uh-oh, uh-oh. 15 seconds left. Uh-oh. What I said, bro? What I said, bro? They be pulling that shit, cuz. See, when you start seeing that shit, like, you know we gonna get down, bro. You feel me? Let's see. Let's see what happens. See that? Look, the dollar never broke down here. But now I see the VIX starting to try to uh, do a 180 here. But wait, yeah, I worry about this little intraday level. I don't, is that intraday? Or did I get that off the daily? Hold up. I think I got it off the daily. Might have a little bit more trouble trying to break down. I think I got that off the daily. See that? They started dumping on that thing like within the last freaking 2 minutes. And that, you know what I'm saying, is a recipe for a gap down or even just a leak after hours. Look at the dollar. And then the VIX. See the VIX starting to try to come back to life there. What? So look, I mean, depending on where you would have put the trade at, it would have worked. The only problem is trading the derivative, like, can't get out after hours. But that's why you go out a few days. My expiration was on the 6th, Thursday. And look, we're coming on down. Look, it's 528 right here. If you put the trade on anywhere up here, they're already in the money. As we start fading, they're in the money. You feel me? That's why it's never good to anticipate. But yeah, just thought I'd jump on and show a little face, man. Dollar never broke down, but it popped and then pulled back. I don't know what this fucking indicator is, bro. It's looking like we might gap down. I don't know, bro. GameStop starting to pop. Nvidia is looking like it hit a double top. Where's Nvidia at? See that double top on Nvidia? Right at the high of day, pretty much. Double top action there, bro. Nvidia, bro, like, I ain't gonna lie. Nvidia and SMCI, bro, like, I called it though, bro. I made a video about it, like, specifically about Nvidia. I said, by the time the next earning cycle comes around, Nvidia will be over $1,000. I swear, bro. It's still on my channel. Made it. I made it specifically for Nvidia because I follow like gaming shit, like GPUs and shit. So I already knew Nvidia was they've been the top dog on GPUs and all that. And once they started talking that AI shit, and that they're selling them for like 30,000 or 40,000 a pop, 50,000 a pop. You feel me? And that was the last gen. they got a new, they got the next gen about to come out. The next generation. Yeah, dude. Like, there's no way they could have missed, bro. Like, uh, they're making so much money on the AI GPUs that they're neglecting their gaming segment to focus specifically on AI. You feel me? Because they're making so much money from it. So I knew, like, I already knew they were going to be. Look. The SPY's holding up a little better than the Qs right now. But if the Qs keep sliding, they're gonna drag the SPY down. Look, 454 flat. Let me make sure this is still working. Oh, zero drop frames. I'm impressed. Okay, the Q is trying to hold 454. Something's wrong with this. To reset it or something. I probably need to restart my PC. But yeah, man, that's it, bro. I was just trying to jump on for power real quick, right? Could have got out, but honestly, we're gonna gap down, bro, or either leak. Watch. I feel pretty confident we're gonna gap down. Um, at least by Friday. Looking a little freaking catching a little bid there, bro. Wait, do we got data coming out? Hold on. That's the only caveat, like data that's coming out. Uh, Hewlett Packard Enterprise sees. Let me see. It's not showing me. Hewlett Packard Enterprise sees Q3 adjusted EPS of 43 cents versus 48 cents versus 47 cents. I don't 43 to 48 cents versus 47 cents. Hewlett Packard. Stitch Fix Q3. It's going too fast. Hold on. Gap EBS beats. Okay, so you got a beat on Stitch Fix. CrowdStrike Holdings. Fiscal year 2025 revenue view. I'd have to click on it. Hewlett Packard Enterprise tops Q2 EPS by 3C. I mean, whatever. Planet Labs expected to post a loss of 7 cents. I mean, 21's in that thing, bro. They're expecting to post a loss. I'll be trying to get out. Verint System shares up 1% after the bell. CrowdStrike Holdings sees quarter two EPS 98 to 99 cents versus 91 cents. So CrowdStrike beat. What's the ticker symbol for CrowdStrike? Forgot. I could probably just type in CrowdStrike. Or CRWD. What? I thought they beat. CrowdStrike Holding sees fiscal year 2025 revenue 3.98 billion to 4 billion. Okay, so the algos got to it. Anytime you see that shit happen, well, you know it's a broke company and not like a piece of shit penny stock or something like that. And the algos just hit it and hammer it. Bro, like, you just buy the dip on that thing. It's going to recover, bro. 9 times out of 10. Look at that. 275 up to almost 300. You feel me? And it looks like they beat. So that's just high frequency trading algos, bro. Making a dump like that. Media Flare Airlines CEO Stephen Jones to step down. Bitcoin races past 70K. Bitcoin ripping, bro. Oh man, I need to. I can't get in my shit, bro. I need to call a professional. Look at that. Look at CrowdStrike. That algo smacked it just for it to come back, and damn, they're about to put in a new high. That's crazy. Let's see. You got the VIX going down now, and you got companies beating. Hey, the dollar hasn't broke down yet though, bro. I'm saying just chill, bro. But like no way, like that's a strategy, or it was at one point, because there was a time that like every day, bro, right at 350, bro, you see the freaking market just make a crazy move, bro, like down. And like, you know what I'm saying? Like every once in a while, it would do the inverse of that. I thought it was just like the institutional traders and hedge funds like, putting in their orders, but I was like doing some research, and I found out that I believe it's like the imbalances. I don't know. I mean, don't quote me on that. It's one or the other. But yeah, that's it. You know what I mean? Another day in the books, bro. Hopefully, this is so messed up. Gotta restart this. Hopefully, you know what I mean? Uh, you made some bread, bro. If not, uh, you at least kept your loser small. Feel me? And if you did one or two of those things, you'll live to fight another day, bro. Like Apple's been trying to do something lately, right? Is it just me, or does it seem like Apple's trying to make a resurgence? Look at this. Look at this thing on the daily. Just marching on up, bro. What happens when we get to 200? Where's all-time highs? 199.64. Are we sure those is that it? Yeah. So you mean to tell me Apple never been above 200? I mean, they do need to do something else, bro, besides uh, making whatchamacallit, like these small little upgrades to the iPhone, bro. Like, okay, the VR headset, yeah, that's not the new blow away tech uh, that this thing needs. But either way, I mean, it's been looking pretty bullish. Look at it, look at it. Put the thing on the daily, bro. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For the last 5 trading periods, it's been trending straight up. So I'll be interested to see what happens. I've been wanting, I've been waiting for Baba to do something, bro, but it doesn't want to do nothing. Damn. Oh, look at where it was at, bro. And it's worth it. It's worth it. It's just the China FUD, bro. I ain't gonna lie, like if it pulls back down to 70, or back down to here, I'm gonna add it to the long term. Straight up. It's just gotta be one that look at AI, bro. Look, this thing popped right off the open. Shit. Look at that. From 28 up to 30. I mean, it would have been a nice little scalp. Mara, you'd expect this to be bullish with Bitcoin putting in highs. This thing's starting to look more and more like the SPY or the S&P 500, bro. What about GameStop? They got the SSR on GameStop. What did I say, bro? Oh, no, I wasn't streaming when I said it. It's all good, though. Broadcom catching some lift here. Nvidia catching some lift, looks like. Look. Look at this thing. Look at that hammer candle. What about SMCI for the sympathy? Look at that thing. The chips are popping all of a sudden. AMD not really joining in on the action. What about TSM? Just flat on the day. SMCI popping. Video popping. Or trying to. I mean, the movement right there, bro. Or what the hell is this? It must have something to do with earnings. Like one of these other earnings plays. Yeah, but that's it, bro. Just wanted to jump on and see if this shit still worked. See if I was gonna be able to stream. Maybe I'll try to do some streaming or something at some point here, bro. You feel me? But yeah, man. Anyways, it's your boy E coming at you with some finance solutions. If you learned anything or found any value in the content, don't be afraid of the like button or even subscribe. You feel me? Anyways, peace.